Well, I'm Pipa, and I live in Paris. I have 24 years old, and I have been studying psychology, working with child with autism, and I apply for continue my study in psychology next year.
Thank you for every moment we had together, and even we didn't see each other after you came to Zurich. I really hope that you will stay the way you are forever, and it needs more people like you on this planet. And I don't think that there would be one boring moment anywhere anymore if there were more people like you on this planet. So thank you.
So cute. How I describe Alex? I think Alex is kind of a deep person. Like when we met, we discussed a lot about the meanings of life and stuff like this. He's a really kind and interesting person to meet. In fact, I think we slept together before becoming friends. I met him in Cambodia, in fact. So I remember we were just dancing, and then kissing, and then we became friends. It was dancing the moment we danced. It was like a little concert in Cambodia, and it was a lot of fun. It was the only one with enough energy to continue the party. So everybody we were with just go back sleep and continue having fun. The craziest. I think all the story was crazy because we met. We have been being with each other for a week most of the time. Then he came to Paris. Just he called me hey, I'm in Paris, and it was 6 months later or something like this, or even more than that. And then I have been visiting him in Zurich, and it was also really spontaneous. I was just saying okay, I want to go back to Paris, and maybe you can come to Zurich also. And I was I just checked the price for the plane tickets, and the day after that I was going to Zurich. So. I don't know, sometimes there is this magic because of you are in a place really magical as Cambodia. But then we just realized that we were quite different, and it was more easy to be really yourself if you know that this person is not expecting anything from you. So it was just more natural to be friends than a couple. I will say adaptation to every kind of people or situation, I think. I like people, and I like being curious and discovering new things. So I've been traveling a lot, and I would say that a lot of amazing things happened to me, and I think I have to do something with it in a way. If I want to change something in Paris, I don't think I want to change anything in Paris, just maybe my own perception of Paris. I think it's the only thing you can do anyway, so maybe find my own rhythm in a city going so fast. What I'm proud of. I'm proud of being that well surrounding, you can say that. I have a lot of friends and a close family, so I feel lucky more than proud. It's a weird question. I would say carrots. I eat a lot of carrots. I expect love and sharing. Love and sharing. And I expect to feel comfortable to be like completely myself, like accepted the way I am. So important, so important. Like I really know, I'm really aware of the fact that friends had so big influence on you. So I think like it's so important to have like good people influencing you. Yes, I take time. I take time for them a lot. Yeah, I'm almost, yeah. I'm not working so much that moment, so I'm spending a lot of time with my friends right now. I would say yes. In my own experience, is always have been really easy, and in fact I meet new friends quite often. So even the guy you are going to his place in Lyon, it's like so recent, and I don't think that you need to be friends for 10 years to be friends. Like if you are just curious to discover someone new and is curious to discover you. Yeah, of course. Like I have been living with Adrien for 3 years. He's a man and a woman, so we are the proof. Okay, I sent you to Guillaume Sénéchal. I check the name. Who is living in Lyon. It was dancing actually again. We were dancing, and in fact we were like partying in a place with attraction. So we really felt as kids there. Like it's attraction park. It was really like, it's not usual that you can have party in this kind of stuff. So we could do many attractions. And I had this feeling like we had 8 years old and acting as child, but it was just so funny and innocent and so beautiful. Yeah, in a way, like it's the same, like not stay the person you are, but continue to change and in coherence with who you are. Like it's a kind of person you don't have to be worried about him succeeding or having a beautiful life and enjoying living. Like he's an adult, also a child. I think he's a responsible person who work on being happy all the time. So I know that he's gonna be, and it's really cool.